Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the PZ support resistance indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool, also known as the pivot point support and resistance indicator, identifies potential levels of support and resistance in the market based on pivot point calculations. In this video, you will see what the indicator calculates, how it appears on the chart, and which core features are highlighted. The PZ support resistance indicator is based on the concept of pivot points, which are calculated using the high, low, and closing prices of the previous trading day. The resulting pivot point acts as a central pivot with additional levels of support and resistance calculated based on that central pivot. The indicator finds and plots relevant support and resistance lines from any time frame, grouping nearby price levels using the average true range to keep charts clean and avoid clutter. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and just like that, we have it installed on the chart. On the chart, the PZSR indicator displays the pivot point as well as several levels of support and resistance above and below it. As price touches or rejects a level multiple times, the line becomes more noticeable, while weak or unimportant levels are removed over time to reduce noise. The indicator provides a visual representation of these support and resistance levels, making it easy to identify potential entry and exit points. As for settings, let's take a look at what we have, some of our inputs. The PZSR indicator is highly customizable, allowing traders to adjust the calculation method and display parameters to suit their individual needs. It can find and plot support and resistance lines from any selected time frame, offering flexibility for different trading styles. As you can see over here, multiple time frames allowed. The indicator is easy to use and does not require advanced technical knowledge to understand. As for who is for, the PZ support resistance indicator is aimed at forex traders who want an objective and visual representation of support and resistance levels based on pivot point logic. Support and resistance levels are not always absolute and can change as market conditions change. And as an indicator based on past prices, it can lag behind current market conditions, potentially leading to missed opportunities or incorrect trade signals. While the indicator can provide valuable information, it does not guarantee success in forex trading and should be used as one component within a broader strategy. You can download the PZ support resistance indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek focuses on how the indicator's pivot-based levels and automatic grouping can simplify support and resistance analysis. If you like objective level plotting tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.